Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example on real numbers. Explain why 7 times 11 times 13 plus 13 and 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So in this question they have already mentioned that these two given numbers are composite. So we have to prove how they are composite numbers. So let me take the first given number. Now 7 times 11 times 13 plus 13. So let me consider this as term 1 and let me consider this as term 2, that is after the positive sign. Now for the term 2, I am going to make a small modification since there is just one number over here as compared to the three numbers. So here I am going to multiply 13 with a number 1. Because 13 times 1 is 13, it doesn't make any difference. This is just a small adjustment we are going to make. Now after this we have to find a common number between the term 1 and term 2. And before that let us consider 13 times 1 as a complete term 2. Now from here we can see that 13 is common from term 1 and term 2. So I'm going to take the 13 out as a common number. And in the bracket I am going to write the terms or the numbers which are being left out from term 1 and term 2. So from term 1 we have 7 times 11 plus, then from 13 times 1 we have 1 which is being left out, which was not common, so we will put it this way. So basically we are factorizing these two terms. Now after this we will simplify it further, that is 13 times 7 times 11 gives us 77 plus 1, or simply we are going to write it as 13 times 77 plus 1 is 78. So we can see that this given entire number can be written as a product of two or more terms. Hence it is a composite number. Now you can use the same steps to say that this given number is also composite. So let us go with the second number now. So I have written the entire number over here. Now as we did over here, let us consider that the first given numbers are term 1 and here we have term 2. Similarly, here since there is just one number which is 5, I am going to make a small modification over here, that is 5 times 1, because this 1 will not make any difference. 5 times 1 gives you 5 itself. Now again I am going to circle out the common numbers between these two terms, and we can clearly see that 5 is a common number, and here we are going to factorize it or take out the 5 common out and write down the remaining uncircled numbers. So here it is 7 times 6 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus, here since we have taken out the 5, the remaining number is just 1 from term 2. Now we can write it and simplify it further. So multiplying all these numbers together we get 1008, and then this is plus 1, and finally we can write it as 5 times 1008 plus 1 gives you 1009. Since this number is represented by a product of two numbers, it is going to be a composite number. So hence proved. You do not have to multiply this further because you have to just show that it is a product of two or more numbers. That is it. So you can just end the solution where you show that it is a product of two numbers. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. So if you are liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.